How to buy XRP on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy XRP on Binance in easy fast way. First thing we do, we go to Binance and this is the home page as you can see. Then make sure to register or log into your account, and after that choose the markets option right here in the top and click on it like this, and it will take you to this page and you will find all cryptos here. Then search for XRP and here is it right here. If you didn't find it here, just search here in the search bar and then click on it like this, and it will take you to this trading XRP page. Then choose the price that you want to invest or the amount of XRP that you want to buy, for example 50 or 500, and then make sure this option it's on buy, not sell, and then click here. You will find buy now if you are registered to your account or log into your account. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.